I have to create a 5 value here. So instead of 5 different memory allocation, I have to create a one memory allocation. So in the one memory, I have to store the 5 value. 1, 2, sorry, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 value I have stored. So it is called an array where there is a situation you have to store the 5 same type of value without creating the different memory allocation. You have to create a single memory allocation. In the single memory allocation, you store all the value. So here the first is represented as a 0. It is called as a 0 index number. तो ये जो array रे हमें जो value store करिवा एटा को हमें index number कहिवा एटा होची 0 एटा होची 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 5 value we store 0 1 2 3 4. Clear?
Yes, sir.
It is called as the array index number or subscript value. This is called as the array index. So this is called as the index number, or you can call as index number or subscript value. This is called as the index number or subscript value. So array element are stored here. Like if I store 10, then 20, then here I store 30, 40, 50. So these are the value I have to store. तो ये जो पांचटा value पाई मते अलगा मेमोरी allocation करिवा दरकार नै मु गोटे सिंगल मेमोरी allocation करिवे से मेमोरी allocation ने मोर सब value store हो एटा को जाय array. An array is a collection of element of a single data type. Means if you want to store the same data type value, if it is numeric, then you, without creating the different value, we have to, without creating a different memory allocation, in a single memory allocation, you store all the value. You can access an element of an array by using a subscript number. The subscript number, also called as the index, specify the position of the element within the array, where you have to store the element. The first element of an array has an index 0. So first element which is stored, the index number is 0. Last element has an index less than size of the array. Suppose your array size is 5. If you store the value, then the last index position is 4, because you are starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 value if I want to store, then at that timing I have to store the last index position is your 4. So 5 element amar store hobo, last index position amar rahibo 4. Based upon the number of indices, an array can be of single dimension array and multi-dimension array. So two type of array we are defining based upon the value. One is single dimension, another is multi-dimension value. The single dimension is what? Here I define a single dimension. Okay, so it is called as a single dimension array. Okay, just wait. So you. Okay, so now I am showing you. It is a single dimension array. Okay, single dimension array element are stored in a single row, and the index number it is starting from 0. It is 1, 2, and 3. There
Yes, sir.
in
Yes, sir.
dimension array, the element are stored in a multiple row and multiple column. Okay, it is 0, it is 1, and it is 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, it is a single dimension array. It is a multi-dimension array. The first position is called as the 0, 0. Okay, it is a 0 and 1. It is 0 and 2. It is 0 and 3.
Yes.
Second position is called as 1, 0, 1,
10.
1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sunil, Manisha, Mananjan.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so these are the way of defining single dimension array and multi-dimension array. It's 0, 0. Again, I show you the multi-dimension array structure. Single dimension array element are stored in a single row, multiple column. In multi-dimension array, element are stored in a multiple row and multiple column.
Multiple row and columns.
Okay. So here row wise it is 0, it is 1. Row wise it is 0 and 1. Then it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. It is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2,
1,
1,
2,
3.
1, 3.
Visible it is?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
It is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is your second part is a multi-dimension array.
सर मल्टी डायमेंशनल 2D array जोटा माने ता भितर किछ बेसिक डिफरेंस रहउचे कि
Now for defining an array, first we are defining data type, then variable name and size. First data type, variable name, then I am defining your size. The begin data type is numeric, array size is 5. So see there, here it is a single dimension array. Array 0, array 1, array 2, array 3, array 4 and 5. But as index number is starting from 0, your last index position is less than 1 of size. Size is 5, less than 1 is 4. So last index position is your 4. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then in a multi-dimension array, the element are stored in a multiple row and multiple column. First, we are defining the data type. Then we are defining a variable name. Then you have to give a size. The first is called as the row, second is called as a column. So ei jota 2 roila eta hochi for row, 3 hochi for column. Eta 2 row and 3 column roila. Eta hochi declaring the multi-dimension array. Okay, so that I am trying to display here. The first one is 0 0 0 1 0 2, mean row wise it is 0, here it is 1. So 1 0 1 and 1 and 1 and 2, it is a multi-dimension array example. So once an array is declared, you need to populate with value. Populate means you have to give a value. The numeric array 5 value is 14, 15, 17, 45 and 81. The 5 value we have stored here. Then numeric array 2, 3 row and 3 column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 row and 3 column we have to define. The numeric array 5, array 0 is 14, 1 is 15, 2 is 17, 3 is 45, 4 is 81. So in the array value we are initializing the value, means we are storing the value. Clear? ना आम आरे डिफाइन कले,
Yes, sir.
डिफाइन करिकी सबु आरे रो पोजीशन ने आमे वैल्यू स्टोर करले. आमे डायरेक्टली आगु नॉर्मली जेतला वेरिएबल ले वैल्यू स्टोर करतले, तो आमे डायरेक्टली वेरिएबल ना पास करतले. सपोज numeric score equals to 20. It is a normal way for defining a variable. But if you want to store a value in the array, then through the index number you have to store. Suppose your variable name is score, then you can initialize. Suppose array size is 5, then you can define score score 0 equals to 24. Score 0 is 24. Score 1, in one index number we are passing suppose 32. Okay, in this way we have to store a value. Then score you get my Okay, so here we are passing score 0 is 24, score 1 is 32, score 2 is 45, then score 3 equals to 56, score 4 equals to 60. Okay, so here we initialize all the value here. This is the defining of an array. It is a initialization of multi-dimensional array. Numeric array to 3 row and 3 column, accept array to 0 row and 0. Okay, then accept array to 1 row and 2 column, array to 2 means 2 row 0 column. Okay, means 3 column we are defining. 3 column means it is a way to define our এটা দেখিয়ে দଉଛି କେମିତି ହବ structure. 3 row and 3 column. 3 row means is divided into 3 parts. Okay, 0 1 2 0 1 2, 3 row and 3 column. So it is 0 0 0 1 0 2 1 0 1 1 1 2 2 0 2 1 and 2 2. Okay, so it is the way of defining what your column value. Okay, 3 row and 3 column value. So after declaring an array, so you have to initialize the value. You can accept the value in the multi-dimension array. So after declaring and initializing an array, you may want to display its element on the screen. You can use the display keyword to display the element of an array. You can display a particular element of an array by providing its subscript value. Subscript value that 0, 1, 2, that value we are passing. So numeric array 5, array 0 is 15, array 1 is 15, array 2 is 17, array 3 is 45, array 4 is 81. Okay, so here 3 row and 3 column we are storing. All the value we are stored. And if you want to display a particular index number, display array 1 row 1 column 2 row. So which one of the following option will you use to initialize an array? The value entered by the user. Which one?
Accept.
Which one of the following option
Accept.
Accept.
initialize an array value enter? Accept. Good. Which one of the following option do you need to provide along with the array name while displaying a particular element of an array?
So size টা
Subscript value. Array index number or subscript value. Okay.
Subscript.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा.
Write a pseudocode to declare a single dimension array of size 10 and initialize the value 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 9. Okay. The question for you. Next, write a pseudocode that declare and initialize the array A of size 10. And can you access the element 10?
No, sir.
Why?
ତାର
Testing the
location ରହିବ 9 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ.
9
So 10
less
to the
ଗୋଟେ
call
less
କରିବ.
Yes, array index number टा start होगा 0 ରୁ 9 पर्यंत ଯିବ.
9 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ.
ଆମେ ଯଦି 10 नंबर टा access କରିବା ତାହେଲେ show କରିବନି. ଆମ array size ହେଲା
yes, sir.
10 ଯେମିତି କି array
10
size ଏଠି ଆମେ define କରୁଥିଲେ. ଏଠି ଯଦି array size ମୁଁ define କରିବି 4 1 2 3 4 এটা হলো 0 1 2 3 4 लास्ट इंडेक्स पोजीशन है हमर 4
9.
केना
yes, sir.
सामु मते जदि कोआ फिफ्थ एलिमेंट टा बाहर करिया को ताले मते कोन आसीबो एठी एरर शो करियो while initializing and displaying the value stored in an array you need to repeat most of the code. The increase of the length of the program, the repetition of the code in the pseudocode that uses an array can be avoided by using loop. Okay, so by using of loop you can retrieve all the element. माने मते गोटे गोटे करी सबले स्टोर करिया दरकार नै मु at a time सब एलिमेंट को रिट्राइव करि पारि. So it is all about of your array and pseudocode. In the next class, we go for the C programming language. Okay, the logic building is over. Then we're moving to the C programming language. If you have any doubt, then you ask me in the next class and do the tasks that I have given. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow we'll start with C programming.
Thank you, sir.